Imagine managing entire creative team in one place, sharing assets, using advanced AI models, and creating unlimited visuals together. Welcome to the Higgsfield Team Plan, the ultimate space built for collaboration, creativity, and speed. For those who don't know what Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing generative AI companies. They build tools that helps creators work smarter, whether you are generating cinematic video, realistic images, or editing content with AI. All of that into one shared workplace where your whole team can create, organize, and manage content together. And now their team plan brings all of that into one shared workspace where your whole team can create, organize, and manage content together. Think of it like a Google Drive but built especially for creators with advanced AI tools already inside. So setting it up is quick and easy. Once you log in, upgrade to the team plan, name your workspace, invite your teams, and you're ready to go. You can add between 5 to 15 members, and every seat includes 1,200 monthly credit, giving you entire team 6,000 credit per month to create with. Okay, so here is the quick one. Higgsfield has just launched the Global Teams Challenge, a creator competition with $100,000 in cash prizes. If you like to check it out, visit the creative brief section on Higgsfield website to see how to enter. It is a great opportunity for teams already creating with the platform. Moving on, inside your workspace, you will see two modes, a personal and team. Personal is for your private project, while team is where everyone collaborate. You can create folders for ad campaign, clients work, or social post, and everything you generate from a video to images, it's stored in asset instantly accessible to everyone. So no more messy file transfer or permission issues. So what really stands out are the collaboration tools. You can favorite your most important project, use usage analytics to track a team activity and credit, and assign roles like owner or member to manage who does what. So there's even an auto top up option to make sure your project never stop midway because of credit limits. So before this, my workflow was chaos: WhatsApp briefs, random Excel sheets, Google Drive folders, and everyone's asking, where's the final version? Now everything lives in one creative space, from drafts to final export, organized, fast, and easy to manage. So it is not just a place to store your work. It's a complete creative workspace that helps you create and manage the collaboration in one smooth flow. So if you're a part of a creator team, agency, or a brand, the Higgs Team Plan is totally time saver. It helps you stay organized, move faster, and work better together. You also get unlimited access to Higgsfield advanced AI models like Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, Link AI, Minimax by Louis, and Higgsfield Popcorn, built to power your creativity like never before. So that's my walkthrough of the Higgsfield Team Plan, a workspace that truly changed how it works with my team. If you like to try it out, the link is in the description below. So these are some of the things that you can actually do in this team place. You can just generate the images, you can create the videos, you can do the lip syncing, you can just turn your videos into lip syncing, and then again you can upscale your image. So let's just bring one of the image from my computer so that we can just upscale it. Okay, so now I've got my image ready. So now I need to move to my right hand side, whereby I need to choose the model. So the model that the system has just chosen for me, I'm gonna just leave it like that, and then I'm gonna come here to the scale factor. So I'm gonna go with times 8. So you can just go with anything. I'm gonna just go with times 8, so that the image will look even more beautiful than it is already. So the image is actually does not need the upscaling, but I can just show you on how I can upscale it. You can I can just bring one of the blurry image, but I don't find one in my computer right now. So I'm gonna just click on times 8, and then it says advanced settings. So there are advanced settings there. Then you can just select each. Okay, so you can go with the standard, and then you can go with a high fidelity, and then text refine or anything. I'm just gonna go with the standard, the one that the system has just chosen for me. The sharpness is up to 30, 10 or 30. You can just select it like this. The sharpness, I can just go even more than that until 100. All right, so I can just go with 40, and then the noise is the high level of noise reduction. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it like that, because this is just I'm not upscaling the video, I'm only upscaling the image. So allowing me to go to 0. We don't need that option, because we are actually just enhancing the image. Okay, so we come here to the face enhancement, that I can just put it on. All right, and then it says gravity. Again, you can just add the numbers according to your liking. So I'm gonna just leave everything like that, and then click on upscale. It's gonna take like few seconds. Okay, so here it's just showing you the original, and then also with it's showing you the one that is in progress. So you can just wait for some few seconds until it's finished. Then I'm gonna show you the results of this, and then just to compare them both. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on compare, so that it can appear on the screen, both of them, so that we can see which one is actually the original, or is it gonna look the same, or is it gonna be a huge different, or is gonna mess up my image. Let's just wait and see. Okay, so now we've got the results. Let's just have a look at this result. So this is the original. So this is the original, and then this is the upscale. The difference is not that much, since the image was actually not that bad. The image was looking very good on my computer, so I only have this beautiful one, but you can see that this is slightly different. Okay, so when you are done, you can just come here to download the image. So this is how easy it is to use it. Okay, so now we've got the lip syncing. So the lip syncing, you can just add it on, and then with the shared folders. So we've got the folders here. We've got the studio, we've got the final edition, we've got the client work, the campaigns, and social posts, and also we've got the images. So everything will be added on accordingly. And then if maybe we've got campaigns, all the campaigns will be here. The social posts, the posts that you are going to go to the social media will definitely come here. We'll make sure your team must make sure that they direct them to the right post. And then with the images also, they must just come to the images, and then you can create folders as many as you want. That will go according to your team and what you guys are working on. All right, and then here are the private folders. If you maybe one of your team a team member can have the private folders where they are working on their things, and then they can just put them on here before they can share them to the team. Okay, so this is just an easy place. And then with I've spoken about the favorites. So with the favorites, you can just add them to here. Maybe there's some images that you actually love, then you don't want to go and look for them later on when you remember that there was this certain image that was looking good, or there was this video that some maybe, let's say, Dimakazo has sent, and then you don't know where to find. You can just click on the image and then put love on that image, and then the image will definitely be on your favorites. Okay, so I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.